Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. Jumping right into the tutorial, I will be using my fermented rice water. I did make a video dedicated to how to make fermented rice water and rice water, but in case you missed it, I will go over it really quickly there. I do suggest that you do watch that video because I went over rice water and a lot of benefits there. But what I'm going to do is add half a cup of enriched white rice, and I really like it because it's enriched with folic acid, which is very beneficial for our hair. I will rinse it for about 20 seconds and then I will pour the rice into this little bowl and add a cup of distilled water because distilled water doesn't have any of those toxins and is very clean. Once I have kneaded the rice with my hands, I am going to dump the rice with the distilled water into this mason jar right here and then add a cup of distilled water, and this is how it looks. I also added essential oils like lavender, geranium, and rosemary because they have wonderful benefits for our hair and scalp. And then I will let the rice water sit on the counter for at least 24 hours so the fermentation process can take its course. And I have my fermented rice water right here, and you can see the cloudiness. That's all the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients. And there is also pitira found in fermented rice water because of the fermentation process. Pitira is rich in vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and organic acids, and the nutrients found in pitira are dramatically going to improve skin's natural surface regeneration process and also the hair. So it's really beneficial not only for our hair but also for our skin too. Now that I have my 2 cups of rice water, I will be adding it into this glass bowl right here, and this is where I'm going to mix all of my ingredients. I'm going to dilute the fermented rice water with 2/3 cup of distilled water so that it's not too potent for my hair or scalp. Next, I will be adding a cup of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice contains proteolytic enzymes helping repair dead skin cells on the scalp, and also aloe vera juice acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. I also like aloe vera juice because it helps to promote healthy hair growth and prevents itching on the scalp and reduces dandruff. Next, I will be adding a tablespoon of hemp seed oil because of its amazing benefits. Hemp seed oil is going to help to moisturize the hair and scalp. Also, it's going to help with enhancing hair's growth, and hemp seed oil is going to help strengthen hair to prevent breakage. Here's a close-up of all the ingredients, and just to help mix everything together, I will be using a hand blender. And I blended everything together for about 15 seconds. And here is the mixture, and I'm going to put it in this bowl, and then I'm going to transfer it into my mister bottle. And here is my pre-poo mixture all ready to use. So now to start pre-pooing my hair, I just started unraveling this little bun. I'm going to pre-poo my hair, of course, and I really want you to see the benefits of this rice water and also the ingredients that I did put into my rice water cocktail. I'm really excited for DIYs because you can really curate the product to use. Okay, so now the cornrows have been unraveled and my hair is free. I've had my hair in this style for about a week and a half. I have been doing a lot of planning for videos to come, so stay tuned for that. So right now I'm just going to section my hair into quadrants as I always do, and my hair right now has kind of been trained in these 4 sections. For those of you that know, I've already mentioned here on my channel that my hair doesn't really get tangled, and that is a plus. I really think that working with my hair the way I do, the products I use, and I'm consistently combing my hair with the rat tail comb, my favorite rat tail comb, it doesn't pull my hair out, and I'm always combing my hair with the conditioner in it, so my hair has kind of gotten used to it, so it doesn't really tangle. I've had a lot of questions about that, and just having my hair loose as it is, and it's been this way for over a week, my hair is just kind of gotten used to not being tangled. Alright, so I'm just going to clip my hair up in these sections. I really want to focus on one section at a time, which is why I'm always working in quadrants. and it just really helps me to give each section of hair the TLC that it deserves. Okay, so now working with this back section here, my hair still feels soft too, which is really good. I always want my hair to feel really nice, soft, moisturized, and I always tell you just really give your hair the TLC that it deserves and your hair will behave. So just remember that. Now I'm going to take a small section of hair and then I'm going to spray this pre-poo mixture. I already see the oil is separating and going towards the top, but that's okay. As I work with the oil and mist it in my hair, I'm just going to shake it if that separation continues to occur. And I will be combing the pre-poo in my hair, and then I'll twist it just to make sure that my hair holds on to that moisture. And I'll be using my wide tooth comb for that. So my hair feels really good, and this is my first time using the rice water, but as I've already said, I have done a lot of research with how rice water can be implemented into my natural hair routine, like I'm doing right now, pre-pooing my hair to wash days and also styling my hair, and my hair feels really good, really smooth. And I will say my hair is, let's see, so my hair is right here, because I will keep using the rice water, and I just want to document how long my hair has gotten. But it feels really good. Lightweight, like my hair doesn't feel greasy or oily, even though I did add oil in there. It feels really good. And then I'm just going to twist it and then continue this process on the rest of my hair. I just love the way it feels on my hair, so I'm going to spray a lot on my hair. I just love to saturate my hair with product, honestly, because it feels so good. Like my hair feels softer, for sure. Alright, so this is this whole back quadrant twisted, and the rice water pre-poo is applied, and my hair, it looks so good, like really hydrated. So far so good. I really love the way my hair feels, especially the ends of my hair, how they're curling. Let's just keep going. finished half of my hair and my hair feels really soft, really good. I can tell that my hair is nice and moisturized. It's not overly moisturized to where I get moisture overload, but I can definitely feel that my hair is nice, it's soft, it's strong. Definitely spray a little bit more, especially on the ends of my hair. The ends of your hair are the oldest, so they do need a little bit more TLC. But my hair, it feels good from the roots all the way to the tips. I recently trimmed my hair about like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I got rid of all the little straggly ends which needed to go. And I'm going to just kind of clip this section of hair up. And twisting my hair really lets the moisture stay in. It kind of traps that moisture in your hair. I'm going to take a clip this section of hair up, and then I'm going to work on this section, so I will be back. Okay, so I finished the other side and my hair looks really good. The twists are nice and juicy. I'm just going to spray a little bit more. I have a little bit more left over just to make sure I get my scalp. My twists are super juicy and my hair feels really good. No surprise there. Now I'm just going to put a plastic cap over my hair and then let it sit for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of leaving the cap on, look how juicy and moisturized my hair is. It just feels so good. Now I'm just going to unravel the twist and prepare to rinse the pre-poo out. After all the twists have been unraveled, my hair still feels really good. Rinsing this pre-poo out with lukewarm water, my hair still feels really good. It's soft, smooth, very hydrated, and moisturized. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and share. Next, I will be shampooing my hair, so stay tuned to see what I used.